Hi everyone, this is Dr. Richa and today's topic is COVID-19 vaccination during the pandemic. So as all of you already know that this is a pretty bad situation. The pandemic is really affecting the nation, and at this time the only ray of hope appears to be the vaccination. And the good thing is that the government has opened up the vaccination program for individuals between the age group of 18 years to 45 years starting from 1st of May. Now I am encouraging everybody to go and get the vaccination done, and people tell me, Richa, what's the use of vaccination? People are still contracting the disease and still they are getting infected even though they have had the vaccine doses. So what's the use? So for all these people there is this chart which I want to show, and in this chart you can see that this is comparison of 4 major vaccines which are being used nowadays. The Pfizer or the Moderna vaccines are presently not being used in India. The chances are they soon would be. But presently what is being used in India is the AstraZeneca one and the Bharat Biotech one, which is the Covaxin, and the AstraZeneca vaccine is the Covishield. So both these vaccines, Covishield and Covaxin, are being used. And both of them, I agree, are not 100% efficacious. That means not everyone who will get the vaccine will be protected from the infection. So 100% efficacy is not there for any of these vaccines, but it's not there for any of the vaccines anyways. But what is important, or what is 100%, is that with all the 4 vaccines, the rate of hospitalization and death prevention after vaccine is 100%. So even if you do develop infection following the vaccine, the infection will be very mild and probably will not require hospitalization, and also this will protect you from death or mortality. So it is important that you get yourself vaccinated, because once you're vaccinated, the infection, even if you do develop it by any chance, it will be like a normal flu, and it will not really be, dangerous for you or your health. So a humble request to all of you to please get yourself vaccinated, because this is the only way how we can protect ourselves amidst this emergency medical situation at present. Thank you very much for listening to me, and I hope that you do get yourself vaccinated, and wishing you a very good health to you and your family. Thank you.